everybody, how you guys doing today? Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, setup, and demo of the new for 2023 Spirit Halloween Death Stalker.
Never stand
So, okay, first of all, we have Kenny being the cameraman today.
Hi.
Yeah, it's always good to have two people, and yeah, I am so excited for this. This guy sold out within like a day of Spirit dropping him, so that's insane. It's really unlike we haven't really gotten anything like this before. It's like what do you think it looks like? Kind of like a mutant type thing?
Mm-hmm. I would say so.
And he's
really
like,
odd looking mouth and teeth.
Yeah. He's about 7 foot tall, 7'3", so he's pretty big. I haven't looked inside at all, so let's just get straight into this. I know he can use fog, which definitely going to be using that during Halloween. So, first thing we see is the Zombie Tech Squad stuff, and now, oh my god, is that the head. Okay, here we go. So first thing we got is instructions, really high quality. Probably going to need them today, because this guy looks interesting. What is this? This looks like, oh, is this a hunchback?
Is that a torso or something?
This looks like a hunchback.
It's big.
Oh, yeah, that's the hunchback. So that, oh my god. So he's gonna be like here?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This thing's gonna be huge. And okay, that is the head down there. That thing. Okay, so this is a big bag of clothing, pretty heavy, honestly, which is good because Spirit's been doing better this year with like waterproofing their props, so we don't have to worry about them getting damaged outside. I'll get that out later. Right here we have, it looks like shoulders, which these are pretty big. Okay, This is gonna be this like wingspan, except his arms are there. And holy crap, I just saw a hand. That is one of the biggest hands I've seen. That is huge.
Yes, it is.
It looks cool.
Oh my god.
It actually looks cool with four fingers.
That looks like a dinosaur hand.
It looks. This thing kind of looks like a dinosaur, honestly. I don't know, but this thing, yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a really cool hand. I think there's only really one thing we should get right now, since it is visible. Let's get the head out. Oh, it's heavy, and it's latex. Oh my god. Look at that thing.
Oh my god.
Look at that thing. That is cool.
Oh my god.
Let me take it out of the plastic. So you want to touch?
Touch.
Would you like a...
Give me a second. Oh my.
Yeah. It feels like a professional prop almost.
Yeah, it does.
It feels very good. Yeah, I can see the sensor in there, and then, wow, that's a lot. So these are some arms, not hands, but these will get the wiring in there. And this is, the foam is for kind of to give it more of a shape. Like I wouldn't call this thing a human, but yeah. I don't know.
A humanoid shape?
Yeah, give it more of an actual shape than just metal. Some kind of fog thing. I guess this is the fog connector. So you can connect it to the fog machine, so that's good. Always gonna need that. Glad they gave that, because they didn't give that for Harvester of Souls, and that was hell. Okay, it looks like we have some stuff to cut open. These look like the leg poles, metal leg poles. Yeah, pretty good quality. Like, and they got the things to keep them up, but yeah, these will not break. I don't feel like they will. Yep. Pretty long. Not exactly sure how big, but yeah.
Looks like a 6-footer. Actually, that looks more. That's quite a bit more than 6 feet, it looks like. That's a good 8 feet at least.
That's good. So we can run it really. I don't know where we're gonna put this. I don't know. This was kind of just an insta buy when I saw it. I'm not really sure where we're gonna display. Yeah, here's another hand.
Claw.
claw. It has a pretty big base. Definitely, right? It's around the size of the Dark Angel's base, and that guy's pretty big. So, yeah, it's pretty heavy too. I really don't see this thing falling apart at all. And
That's a good thing.
That's a very good thing. That's a very, very good thing. And then here's the mechanism. A lot of people have been comparing this guy to Krampus, like everything that gets set up, which I can see that. I don't own Krampus, but I can definitely see that, yeah. If it looks similar to anything that I have, it looks like Possessed Pumpkin's mechanism. And the way that it just turns like that. Yeah. We have the hip loop right here. Let's just go around his hip. Nothing really special. This is a fog. Yeah. So I believe what you do is you plug something into there and that'll set it off automatically. Or you can press this little remote thing and that'll have it go off whenever you want it to. So that's cool. All right. So I am going to bring the instructions out. We're going to just start the time lapse now and see you guys when we're done. All right, guys, we got him all set up. Here's Kenny. He's going to do the honors.
Here we go.
This guy is a beast. It's over there on the chair. And then, yeah. All right, here we go. We're plugging him in. I think. The fog's gonna look awesome.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
What do you think?
Oh, my God. That is one freaky prop there.
Yeah, the fog like coming out is gonna look like really
It's
awesome.
going to be like, whoa,
Yeah.
whoa, whoa.
Yeah, the fact that this guy is this tall and he moves, I think is pretty crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Especially for only being $280.
Yeah, that.
It's really not a bad price for him at all.
No. That's.
How? His sensor doesn't seem that good.
Snap right up in it.
I can't snap.
Oh, you can't snap?
Where's it?
Here. I'll snap anyway.
I'm gonna yell. This is gonna be the official demo I'm gonna try and do. Hey! Hey! Damn it.
Oh!
Okay. All right, guys, that is the new for 2023 Death Stalker animatronic from Spirit Halloween. Yeah, I'm very pleased with him. I think he'll be really cool, especially like with the fog coming out right here. I've heard this guy blows a ton of fog. Like he'll just. Yeah, what do you think, Kenny?
I think he is super cool.
Yeah.
Scary as hell. Oh my God.
Yeah, I as a kid, being right next to that thing, that'll be something. This is an online only for Spirit Halloween. This will not be in stores. I think. Maybe. Yeah, he'll be on online only. So, yeah, I think they really missed something being in stores, because here's the thing. If it already sold out online, and that's really just people like from the haunter community, imagine the people if they bought him in stores. Like, they could make so much money off of that. I don't know why they're having him online.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah.
Oh, he's online only?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, so is the Rising Doll in there.
Wow.
I think they're kind of putting all the good ones online only. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to purchase this prop, a link will be in the description below. Also, the merch will be in the link below too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit.
See you next time.